Do you need more RGB in your life?
Who are you? Who are we? Who are you?
LanPavilion thinks so. This shows a PSVR 2 on it. When they contacted me, they said PSVR 2, but it also advertises for the Quest 2, so maybe we'll check both, but I can tell you, I really have been wishing and hoping and going through different ones, trying to find the perfect PSVR stand, and I still keep going back to that other one I had, that RGB middle shaft thing that lit up, and nothing has quite beat that for me, so I'm hopeful today, maybe this can come close.
Hope this one sticks.
Some assembly required, apparently. Ooh, maybe I shouldn't be taking these out of the bags like this, though, because there's numbers on them. Did they make this simple for me? So this says number 1. Got good rubber on the bottom, doesn't want to just move around too bad. I can if I push it, but as the weight goes on there, maybe it'll be better. We got number 2. It's like a Dyson fan, isn't it? It's got kind of a weird futuristic design, although that doesn't feel terribly solid. We got 5, 6, 7, 9, 5? We got 2 number 5s. This thing, did this have a number? I just didn't see it. 3, okay. I really could go as far as, you know, actually looking at the instructions, but I do feel like if a stand comes together without the instructions, then that's a good sign. It means they made it self-explanatory. Is that like some shock absorption for when you put your headset on there, or do I not have it snapped in all the way? Oh boy. Okay, we're up to 3. Number 4, whole bunch of wires and some little clips. I think those clips go in there to make this whole thing hopefully more solid. Boy, those just take a solid push to get in there. Go a little less flimsy. It definitely still is not overly solid. 5. 6. Aha, that one that I thought was 6 and 9 was 6 and 6.
Comedy.
I don't remember seeing an instruction manual.
Hello there.
Apparently I skipped step 4, was to make this look a little prettier. Although until I've confirmed that I have these exactly right, I think maybe I'll wait to put those stickers on there. 7 looks easy. There's nothing solid about the plastic on this thing. Aha, so these just go out to the sides. And these, also, are these alternates? What the frick? Well, this is confusing. Oh God. So you've got one or the other here, but both pictures show you using just these ones because they show the PSVR controllers hanging off the rings from there and they show the Quest 2 controllers hanging off the rings from there. So I'm not exactly sure what the idea was for this, unless it's an alternate one in case you want to have your Quest 2 controllers in the butts instead of hanging from the rings. So, okay.
Okay.
We got an in and out USB-C, no power brick because of course. Now with something for a PSVR 2, a no power brick makes a little more sense because maybe you're supposed to plug it into the PlayStation 5 itself. And that might be why they give you the USB-A and the USB-C options, because maybe you plug them into your PS5 to draw power from that. But I just always miss power bricks because eventually you run out of them because nobody sends them to you anymore. And then you're having to like buy the USB power strips and other things, I don't know. They do send you this, which is kind of cool. So this is for the PS5 specifically, PSVR 2. So for your out, you would plug this in, and then you have a splitter that gives you the ability to plug in each controller and charge them. So like that, and then of course you're gonna use this weird thing to hang your controllers down, which the controllers aren't hitting anything, the charging cable itself is, which kind of makes it seem a little less premium. Just ends up being a lot of wire things. I have to run one heck of an extension cord over here just to plug this freaking thing in. At least the USB-A they give you is a little longer. A little bit. Oh gosh. Did not feel like that USB-C went in there right. Ta-da! Ta-da! The RGB's all right. I guess on and off are your choices, because I don't seem to be able to be finding a way to change what the color is doing. Oh boy. Got some distance on that one. I guess I should look at it with the Quest, huh? See, I have a very heavy Quest is the issue because of all the accessories I put on mine. Look at the way that weighs that thing down. Comforting. I guess if I put those on there, I could kind of shove my controllers in there. If you're not able to read the room, I am not feeling terribly impressed. I think the base itself seemed like it had a decently solid foundation. I like the angles and the roundness that they're using with the whole thing, but from here up, it's just a piece of crap. The plastic is too cheap, it's too flimsy. If you want to make a mini catapult out of it though, that's kind of fun. I was excited from here. And then as we continued building the whole thing, everything, I know I should stick a little stickers on the sides, make it look a little more premium, but I'm gonna just disassemble this thing immediately. It's all right, but there's so many other stands out there that are more solid, stronger, more premium. And I know it saves money to make stuff out of just completely plastic, but this just, it doesn't feel secure at all. I don't feel like I want my headset on this thing, especially when I have ones that I've put a lot of weight on. With the PSVR, it's a light headset, so it doesn't seem as bad, but still, when you put it on there, there's nothing like solid or safe feeling about the way it lands. It's just too cheap to complement your beautiful VR headset. I hate to say it, but I'm definitely not leaving a link in the description, unless you really want it for a catapult maybe, but no. This one's not for me. What do you think? Did you find this video because you got one and you love it? Maybe you love the Dyson fan look it's got, I don't know. I'd love to know in the comments down below, but thank you for coming out, and I will see you in another reality. That was a pretty good shot there at the end.
Yeah, right in the camera.